Hello children, welcome to my channel English Lessons by Nupur Bakshi. Today we are going to study the first chapter of class 7th NCERT. The name of the chapter is 3 questions. This chapter basically is a philosophical chapter in which the narrator of this story, he is trying to narrate the story through the king. There is a king and who is thinking. In the story, the king starts thinking about the 3 questions of which if he gets the answer, then he will definitely not fail. Okay, this is the process, this is a thought process of the king. Okay, and here the story starts by a scene where the king is sitting and he has started thinking. वो बैठ के सोच रहा है कि ऐसी कौन सी ये जो 3 क्वेश्चंस मेरे दिमाग में है, अगर मुझे इसका आंसर मिल जाएगा देन मैं कभी भी हारूंगा नहीं, तो he will never fail. Okay, the thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were, now what were these 3 things? What is the right time to begin something? किसी चीज को शुरू करने का सबसे सही समय क्या होता है? What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? उसे किसकी बात सुननी चाहिए? And what is the most important thing for him to do? उसके लिए सबसे ज्यादा important thing क्या है? So the king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money for the person who will answer his question. तो उसने क्या किया? He just sent all the messengers in his kingdom to find out and to spread the word that whoever answers these 3 questions will get a huge reward from the king. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. So if I ask you a question that please give me an answer to these 3 questions, then whoever is listening to this part of my video will think different things. That is why everybody's answer will be different. And similarly, when the king called all the wise people, all the buddhiman people, when he called, तो क्या हुआ? Everybody gave a different answer. In reply to the first question, what was the first question? That what is the right time to begin something? किसी चीज को शुरू करने का सबसे सही समय क्या होता है? तो इसका आंसर कुछ लोगों ने क्या दिया? That only in this way. Which way? That the king must prepare a timetable. एक ने कहा कि आपको एक टाइम टेबल प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए और उसको स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करना चाहिए. अगर आप if you follow that timetable strictly, then definitely you will never fail. फिर कुछ लोगों ने others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. और कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि ये तो बिल्कुल इम्पॉसिबल है टू फाइंड आउट द राइट टाइम टू डू समथिंग इन फ्यूचर. सो वी कैन नॉट सी फ्यूचर. सो पीपल सेड कि फ्यूचर का तो डिसाइड करना इज वेरी नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. ओके, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. द किंग शुड नोटिस ऑल दैट वॉज गोइंग ऑन, अवॉइड फूलिश प्लेजर्स, एंड ही शुड ऑल्सो do whatever seemed necessary at that time. And some people said that he should do the things that he feels is necessary. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would who will help him act at a proper time. और कुछ लोगों ने कहा that he should keep a council of members. So now what is a council? Council is nothing but a group of people who are in the court of the king to advise him, to give him suggestions. So if a problem is there, then definitely the king consults the council members. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others, the right time for every action. So he said that some people said this, some people said that, and now finally some people said that one man, a king alone, cannot make right decisions. That is why he should have a council of members. So ऐसे हर question का he got different answers. But then others said that there were some things which should be urgent. These could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to the magicians. Up when it came about the second question. Now what was the second question? That which people should he listen to? So he got an answer. He got an answer that he should keep council of members. Some people said that he should use his own brains. Some people said that he should think wisely and then give his decision. Then to the second question, that what is the right time? So the people said that there is no right time and future cannot be seen by anyone. So you need to go to the magicians. आप जादूगरों के पास जाओ, because only they can see the future. They say that they can see the future and they can help you make a decision which is related to future. Okay. So then in their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. Some said the soldiers, and like this some said the doctors. So second question was that who are the most important people in my life? So कुछ लोगों ने कहा doctors are very important. Some people said that the soldiers are very important. Some people said counselors are very important. So everybody gave a different answer. Okay. In their answers to the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others chose religion to worship. Okay, so which was the third question? What is the most important thing for him to do? So uske liye some people said science is important to do. Some people said that having a religious place to worship, that is an important thing to do. So everybody's answer to all the questions was different. As the answers to these questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no rewards. Instead, इसके बजाय उसने क्या किया? He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So finally, when he did not get a satisfactory answer from anyone, he decided to go for an answer himself. So he had heard about a hermit. Now who is a hermit? A hermit is a person who lives alone and he lives a simple life. So this hermit was living in the forest and he had never left that forest area. And he was considered to be very wise. बहुत बुद्धिमान सब लोग उसको मानते थे. Okay, so but उसकी एक condition थी, वो कभी भी किसी important लोगों से नहीं मिलता था. He used to meet simple people. So what did the king do? He disguised himself. उसने भेष बदल लिया. And then he wore simple clothes. He did not go with any of the bodyguards. और वो उस hermit के पास गया. Okay, and then when he went to the hermit's hut, he saw that the hermit was digging the ground. वो ground खोद रहा था. ठीक है, तो उसने उसको greet किया. He greeted the king and continued digging. और hermit अपना काम करने लगा. The hermit was old and weak. अब वो he was not young, he was old and weak. So while he was working, he was panting. Panting means हाँफ रहा था. Breathed heavily. Okay. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you the answer of 3 questions. So उसने बोला कि मैं आपके पास इसलिए आया हूँ because I want to know the answers of 3 questions that are in my mind and I need the answer very desperately. I want the answers. First question is, how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? And second question is, who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? So ये 3 questions के answer अगर आप मुझे दे दो, then I will be satisfied and I could live a peaceful life. The hermit listened to the king. उसने उसकी बात सुनी, but he did not speak. He went on digging. वो अपना काम करने लगा. उसने बस सिर्फ सुना उसकी बात, but he did not reply. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. King ने बोला आप बहुत थके हुए लग रहे हो. You are tired. So just let me take the spade. Spade means वो tool जिससे आप ground खोदते हो. So let me take the spade and I will do the job. You please sit and take some rest. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. और जब वो king उस spade से ground खोदने लगा, then the hermit sat down and he started looking at the king. When the king had dug 2 beds मतलब 2 जगह उसने ground को खोद दिया था, he stopped and repeated his questions. Because the king was thinking that I have already asked him a question and he is not giving me a reply. So he again repeated his question. So the hermit gave no answer but stood up. Hermit ने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया and he stood up, खड़ा हो गया. Stretching out his hand for the spade and said, now you rest, I will work. Hermit ने अपना आराम कर दिया था. He was okay now. So he said that okay, he told the king that you give me the spade, now you sit and I will do the work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But he saw the king was very wise, and he saw that the hermit was old, so he did not find it right to return the spade to him. Instead he said, no, you sit, I will continue working. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so that I will return home. Here comes something running, said the hermit. Now, since morning he had been asking the hermit the questions, but he had not got an answer. So finally, when the sun had set, so he asked the hermit, he just dropped the spade down and he said that, hermit, the wise man, I came to you to get answer to my questions, but since morning you have not given me any reply. So if you don't have the answers, just tell me so that I can return home. The hermit immediately said that here comes someone running towards us. कोई उनकी तरफ दौड़ता हुआ आ रहा था. So finally, this part of the chapter is over. In this book, this story has been divided into 2 parts. This is the first part that I have explained to you, and in my next video I will be sharing the meaning of the second part. Till then, stay tuned because it's a very interesting story and definitely you would want to know that what were the answers of the 3 questions. Till then, take care.